Hi, so I have learned a new way to make eggs and it's called the Souffle Omelette. That's what I'm going to make today. For making the Souffle Omelette, you need 2 eggs, a pinch of salt and a little bit more of sugar. Separate your egg yolks from the egg white. Put them in 2 separate bowls. Add that pinch of salt to the egg yolk and granulated sugar to the egg white. You need to whisk this separately. After about 5 minutes of manually whisking, this is what it looks like. I think I almost got a bicep or a tricep workout. If you have an automated whisker, nothing like it. Totally use that. Add the beaten egg yolk to your egg white and mix it. Not too much, not too little either, just about right. And then you add pour this actually onto the pan. I've added a blob of butter on the pan. Grease your pan really well. Add this onto the pan. This is what your omelette will look like when you add it onto the pan. Cover it and let it cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Alright, so it's about 3 minutes or so now. I'm just quickly going to check. Ooh, look at that color. Okay, so what you need to do is like it to be cooked a little bit more on this side. You can do that. That's what you can do. Look at that beautiful color. So cook it for just 2 to 10 seconds. There you go. You have the beautiful, soulful Souffle Omelette. I want to eat it. Alright guys, talk to you later.